You're here, there's no.
Hi guys, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. My sincere apologies for the comparisons. So, I've been diving into Zhou Shen and Dimash since lately. So for all the Dimash supporters, I've been knowing Dimash from like a year and a half now, almost 2 years, and I recently knows of Zhou Shen. So, Dimash is from Kazakhstan, while Zhou Shen is from China. These two men are powerhouses. Great phenomenon. Great voices. I mean, like, these two men, whenever time they sing, the entire place gets cold. Your body is shivered with goosebumps. So these two guys, it happened that I met these guys perform this particular song. This song is called My Heart Will Go On. Right? So Dimash perform it and also Zhou Shen. So what I'll be doing today, I'll be listening to each of these artists and then I can give my reaction towards it. And to all those people who's from Kazakhstan, support Zhou Shen, and for all the people who are supporting Zhou Shen from China can also support Dimash. Unity is strength, and it's the first time I'm doing this. So guys, please bear with me. I'm loving the music, so I want to hear what these two guys are capable of. So let's take a walk into Dimash and Zhou Shen's world. They're gonna perform My Heart Will Go On.
哈萨克斯坦国宝级歌手迪马西给我们带来电影《泰坦尼克号》当中的经典曲目《我心永恒》，让我们在电影的音乐当中感受到电影艺术的魅力。掌声有请。
Different beat, different sound, different vibe, different presentation.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you go on. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the hardest go on. Once more, you open the door and you hear in my garden, my heart will go on the door.
This man is a superstar. Bro, I've known this man like a year and a half now. And he never yet disappoints. Every time I sit and I listen to Dimash, he makes everything so smooth. It's like this man can stop time because you're gonna be freezed by his voice, bro. A spectacular powerhouse.
Love can touch us one time and last for
Wow. Isn't this guy terrific? I'm telling you, Zhou Shen, if you guys should be on a stage together, I can tell that that entire arena will be exploded in shock. Because the reason why I came up with this idea, I can tell that Zhou Shen, bro, that man is crazily good. And not to mention Dimash, these two men, I am so proud of them. They are making music so good, so wonderful, they can also sing exponentially without even breaking a sweat. Effortlessly, they do this, bro. Trust me. Yo, to all that Zhou Shen fans, you guys sure that Zhou Shen can compete with this man? I'm asking y'all, do you all sure that Zhou Shen can compete with this man? He's incredible, bro. This man is so incredible that every time you will sit and you meditate on this man's voice, chills. You're gonna have some form of nausea, bro. Damn. Anxiousness for days, bro. Yo, bah, bah, bah. The man's voice echoed in a room full of fans, bro. Now you tell me, isn't that something phenomenal? That's very much fantastic. Yo, vocals, it's out of this world. Not on planet Earth, but I'm certain it's on a different planet. Not on Earth, bro. This man is not from Earth.
Stay forever this way. You are saving my heart, and my heart will go on and on.
谢谢，哇，谢谢，太棒了！再次把掌声送给
Very good,
迪玛
bro.
希，谢谢，
Very good, Dimash.
谢
Very
谢，
good. Very
非
good.
常非常精彩的表
Very
演
good.。Okay, guys, so we're going to go over to Zhou Shen at this point. Yo, I gotta say, bro, this is gonna be a tough competition because these two men, none of which speaks English. As I stated earlier, Dimash is from Kazakhstan. This man is from Chinese, which is Zhou Shen. And each of them is singing in English. And to get this clarification, to get this clarity, to get this clear, precise voice control, which is not from a country where English is spoken, that says a lot. Damn, bro. Damn. Right now at this point, I'm confused to choose who is the winner. At this point, I won't choose anything. I will just leave it at that, bro. Whoa. Whoa. At this point, this is freaking good. Freaking good. And this man's voice is so soft, so smooth, bro. It's like a mirror or a glass that is shinily been wiped off. Right? Zhou Shen, bro, you are killing it. Well, the best is yet to come, so let's continue. Unbelievable. Yo, this is unnatural. This is unnatural. This is way too unnatural. Bro, I do not know who to choose at this point because everyone is different at what they do. But this is something that we cannot choose, bro. Amazing, bro. But, 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 amazing. Yo, This is some alien shit, bro. Some alien shit. Some alien shit, bro. This is not human being. He's not a human being. He's some extraterrestrial, bro. I am not feeling like these people are from Earth. This Earth possesses some very talented and skilled people, but these people surpasses what the Earth expected, bro. They are not humans. Definitely not. Trust me. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. So, I will not choose, but I will leave the people from either of these countries, China and Kazakhstan, to choose who's the winner, because clearly I cannot choose, bro. Like, these two men are so hard to make any form of comparison. It is very hard. So the people from China who supports Zhou Shen and the people from Kazakhstan who supports Dimash, you are supposed to can choose who's the better singer, who delivered better, and who sounds more better than the other. Because for me, damn, that's crazy. So if you guys enjoy this reaction, always remember, leave a like. Both of those people from this country, please subscribe. Both of those country, right, who supports Dimash and also Zhou Shen, subscribe, leave a like, share this to any one of your friends from either of that country, letting them know that a Jamaican guy respects and rates your music. So I'll see you guys in another video.